Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Dropbox files after accidental sync overwrite step by step clearly. To restore Dropbox files after an accidental sync overwrite, start by opening your Dropbox account in a web browser. Log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Files section in the left-hand menu. Locate the folder that contained the files you want to restore. Right-click on the folder and select View Previous Versions. A window will pop up showing earlier versions of the folder. Choose a date and time from when the files were not overwritten. Click on the version you want to restore. You will see an option to restore this version. Confirm the restoration when prompted. After the process completes, navigate back to the folder to verify the files have been restored. If you don't see the earlier version option, you can also check the Deleted Files section. Click on Deleted Files in the left sidebar. Look for the files or folders that were accidentally overwritten. Select any files you wish to recover and click the Restore button. Once restored, these files will return to their original location. Always ensure to check your Dropbox settings for syncing. Consider turning off sync for sensitive folders if accidental overwrites are common for you. This will help prevent future issues while working with important files. By following these steps, you can effectively restore your Dropbox files after an accidental sync overwrite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.